Hello again, everyone. Truck CV Sales here with a tune-up report for Kenny in Ohio on the Stryker SR-447hpc2. Let's just leave it right there for now. Kenny, got it ready to go for you, bud? Our tune and alignment. I love these radios. I know I keep saying it. Stryker does not disappoint. I never get any comebacks. The receive is phenomenal. And this sucker here will fit in some tight spaces. Mic jacks on the front. Big nice thick heat sink all the way across the back for them 4 MOSFETs. Kenny, let's get right to it. Well, let's check your top back first. So I'm running my favorite, the Superstar CM4.
1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 break.
Sounding good. Crank it echo up a little more.
4 1 2 check got it down.
Sounding real good.
1 2 1 2 3 oh yeah 1 2 1 2 3.
Set it here. There we go.
1 2 oh yeah 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1.
Looks real good for you there, Kenny. Alright, let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. 2 watts all the way down, just in case you decide to run an amplifier. Roll it all the way up. That's 16 watts. Show you average power swing. Low 47 bird. 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello 96 peak. Alright, Kenny, it's ready to go for you, man. This will work out great barefooted or with a 4-peel, 6-peel, you name it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.